Hey guys, so today I'm coming with an unboxing video for the Cameo 4. I purchased mine at Michael's for $2.99, but you can definitely go online and purchase it for a better price. What I'm going to do is I'm going to jump right into the video and get to what's in the box. So starting off, here are the product features: built-in row feeder, vinyl cross cutter, increased speed and power, as well as 3mm clearance. It does come with the auto blade included, but you do have 3 other options you can choose from. You do have to purchase the other options separately though. I actually included just kind of what the blade adapters look like. So getting right into it, your Cameo will come in this silhouette box. I have mine in the color white, and it also has Bluetooth capability. So if you do have, if you want to use that, you can. I haven't used it yet, but that is the option it does have. So we're going to turn this right around and get right into the box. So when you open up the box, the first thing you'll see is all these beautiful crafty ideas, inspiration. You also see the website where you set up the warranty, as well as the free studio silhouette that comes included. And it also comes with a little card as well, so they really want you to go ahead and set that up. I'm super excited. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start off with the cardboard box in the middle. Basically what's in here is the power plug for the Cameo, as well as the craft blade adapters, as well as a USB cord. So that's what you'll find right in the middle. Then, to my surprise, a pleasant surprise actually, it includes a cutting mat in the box. So I was really happy about that because that's something that I use all the time. And here it goes, the Cameo. So excited. The Cameo, I had my fiance take it off the box for me. So what I'm doing now is just taking off the blocks, taking off the paper that's wrapped around it. And guys, honestly, I've been using this non-stop. The ease of use of this machine is so great. The speed is so great. I love it, honestly. I've been doing, like I said, a lot of projects with it. I actually have some videos coming out extremely soon on how I use it, so definitely subscribe. But honestly, look, just look. Once I put her down, it's a girl, she just made my office look so much better. So pretty. Just take off that blue tape. There's nothing wrong with that. That just means she's new. But honestly, guys, definitely subscribe because I'm coming out with new videos very soon. I can't thank you enough for watching, and that's it.